Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Rapo TechMind. So I will be explaining you the programming interpreter Python, which is one of the popular programming language used for artificial intelligence and data science. So it is one of the useful video for beginners and developers who are eager to learn Python. So let's go and see how the Python can be installed in Windows system. So first launch the browser and type Python installation or Python installer for Windows. Next, go to python.org website. This is the official website for Python installer provided by Python Software Foundation. Click on download Python, then navigate to downloads tab. So by default, it has landed us to the downloads page. So here we have the latest version of Python, which is 3.12.0. So for older versions, you can click here on Windows, then scroll down. So here we have the previous version, which is 3.11.6. So this cannot be used under Windows 7 versions, under Windows 7 or earlier. So similarly, we have older versions like 3.8, 3.7, 3.10, 3.11. These are the earlier versions of Python. So we are going to download the latest version. So after landing into the downloads page, click on download Python 3.12. So the downloader has started downloading and it is complete now. So the downloader is completed downloading. So click on the downloads folder and open the installation file. This is the exe file which is downloaded. Click on add python.exe to path. Select the add python.exe to path checkbox, which enables users to launch Python from the command line. So to use command line Python, we need to check this box. Then click on install now. Now the installation has started. It is installing the library files, all the packages in the backend. So let's wait for a while. So I have already installed the Python. I have already installed the Python in my system previously. So I have this downloader. So I have downloaded this Python installer now. So I have opened this to show you how the installation is done. So the installation is successful. So now click on close. Next, go to start menu and open command prompt. So in Windows 10, this is the command prompt. Click on command prompt and type python double hyphen version. So this is the command to check the version which we have installed, or we can use this command to check whether Python installation was successful in our system. So we have successfully installed Python 3.12.0. So Python installation is successful in my system. So you can follow the same to install Python. So next we can use Python by opening Python IDLE. We can also call this as Python shell. So to use the Python shell, type Python in start menu and click on IDLE Python 3.1 64-bit. So this is the Python shell. Here we have the version and a small description of the release, like when this Python version was released and time, and the architecture. This is my architecture, Python architecture, and this is on Windows 32. So this is the bit size. So we can check the Python version and the version details here. So we can test whether Python is working fine or not by assigning a value to a variable. So I have assigned a variable a with value 10. So now I am printing that variable. So it is showing the value of a. So this is the installation for Python in Windows system. So I am using Windows 10. So this is same for Windows 11 or Windows 7. So whatever version you are using of Windows in your laptop or computer. This is the process for installing Python on Windows system. So for more videos, please do like, share and subscribe Rapport Tech Mind. Thank you.